And this is Brad Matheny. Today is the 2nd of April, Wednesday. This is a quick little update. The markets are moving into this consolidation range that I talked to you guys about. In fact, I think I have a better image of it over here with the range. Or maybe here. I know I have one that I was doing the early morning video. Hold on. Nope, that's not it. There it is. So we've moved back up into this range. You can see this 382618 range, which is what I call the battle zone. Talked about it this morning. And until we, clear basically this area, I'll draw a line. Until we clear this low, the 25,554, basically right across here, or clear this line here above the 562 area, we're kind of in no man's land. I mean, yeah, you're getting some intraday trending. You come down here to 10-minute, you're going to get some pretty good trending. But really, guys, like I was trying to show you, until we get past, I'll make them purple, until we get this past this level or this level in purple, we're kind of in a no man's land zone. Rolling in these trends, decent trading for 2-minute, 5-minute type of trending, quick scalping, but we're just kind of trapped. And what I wanted to show you guys was that, we're looking at, almost no triggers. So look here at the daily trigger list, SPY spiders, no triggers. Look at the 60-minute, one trigger, XLV short from 8 o'clock this morning, really gone nowhere. Look at the 15-minute, no triggers. Again, we're getting absolutely no triggers. We got one new long trigger here on QQQ, just happened on the 5-minute chart. And we have a new long trigger here on the SPY 2-minute algos, just triggered. But generally, guys, when you get no confirmation on these 60-minute daily or 15-minute charts, we're getting, literally no triggers. Now we come over here, we look at the options algos. We look at the 60-minute options algos. You can see that we're getting fairly mixed triggers. XLK is bearish, looking at a bearish short-term model, bullish long-term model. That would indicate that we have this on the 60-minute a chance to the downside. The way this works is you basically vote. It's called a voting attribution. So this would be -1, -1, -1, totally -3, plus a +1 would put us at -2. That gives us a moderate bearish trending. XLRE, bearish, 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 bearish. That's a -4. We want to use these levels as our trigger level. And notice, it's not giving us a huge range. 41.69 to 41.62. That's only a 7-cent range. Nothing major. We come down here. Do we have anything that's all bullish, all bearish? XLV is all bearish. This is 60-minute, just refreshed. And you see here, we've got essentially a dollar range here on XLV between this 142 to 141.11. It's 142.37 to 142.11, 141.11. So basically, we're looking here at, no trending. You come over here to the algos, SPY. Okay, now we have two new longs on the 5-minute here, SPY and QQQ. Remember, these are very short term, and we're looking at a moderate uptrend here on this 5-minute chart back up here into no man's land. What I'm trying to tell you is that, this is a good time to sit and wait and be patient and really play a safe mode of waiting for the markets to actually do something. This is kind of like you want to get out and kick the markets and tell it to move, but it's probably not going to move here. It may move into this sideways zone here and just stay completely sideways for the next, 2, 3, 4 hours. Who knows? Gold and silver are starting to build a little momentum to the upside, looking again for a breakaway in gold and silver, particularly in gold to the upside. I am expecting some volatility. I think this may have been the volatile range right here. That could have been it. And now I think we're going to be moving hopefully to an upward melt up type of a period. So again, the point being is that I wanted to highlight the fact that we're in that zone. You can see it here between these purple lines. This is kind of a go nowhere zone. Until we get out of that zone with some trending, it's just going to chop. So understand that it's going to chop around sideways. It's going to probably chew up your trades. Unless you're in and out very quickly, you're going to probably just get chopped around as long as we stay in this zone. On the SPY, it's 563 and a quarter to 559 and 3/4. It's a 4 or 5 point range. You can still, short term trade all you want, but, unless you're on top of it on a 1 or a 2 or a 3 minute chart, grabbing these quick little reversals, this is going to go nowhere, in my opinion. I can come down here to 10 minute and show you that, we're rolling into this consolidation, into this high, may get up into this 562 and a half level, but, we're really consolidated right now. Had a big rally at the open, which was great, but we're in this zone of consolidation. And like I said, I'd be very surprised if we get any big move today until we break out of this zone. Remember, 563 to basically 559 and a half. That's the zone. Until we get out of that zone, it's going to be very difficult to really trade, on a swing trade type basis. So, we watch for news, we watch for a breakout, and take a little break this morning. That's what I'm telling you. It's probably a good time to just take a break and wait for the market to do something. Okay, guys, that's it. Talk to you later.